Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we're going to learn how to execute custom update queries using SQL or JPQL in Spring Data JPA. Suppose we just want to update the salary of a specific employee. How can we do that using our own custom query directly? That's exactly what we're going to learn. How to write a custom JPQL or SQL update query in Spring Data JPA to update only the fields you want, like salary. Create a new method. You can name it anything you like, there's no restriction on the method name. I'll call mine update employee salary. And this method will take two parameters. Salary, the new salary value, and employee ID, the ID of the employee whose salary we want to update. Since we're going to update a record, our method won't return an employee object. Instead, it'll return the number of records updated. Now for passing our custom SQL or JPQL, we already know what to do. Just use the @query annotation. Inside this annotation, we'll pass our update JPQL or SQL statement. Now, by default, Spring JPA treats every query inside @query as a select statement. But here, we're not fetching, we're actually updating data. So, to let Spring know that this query is an update or delete operation, we need to add another important annotation, @modifying. This tells Spring, hey, this is not a select query, execute it as an update or delete. And remember, if you forget to add @modifying, Spring will throw an error. Make it transactional, so the changes are properly committed to the database. Perfect. Now our custom update query is ready, and guess what? The same exact way you can also run custom delete queries too. Alright, now let's quickly create our REST API. Take the employee ID and salary as input, call our repository method, and return how many records were updated. Alright, before we update anything, let's quickly check the employee's current salary using the Get API. See that? The salary is currently showing as $200K. Now I'm updating the salary to $400K for this employee. Okay, it's put request. Looks like we've got an error. Okay, Looks like something's wrong with our employee ID named parameter.
Oh, I see it now. There's a space.
Restart the application. Hit the API again.
Awesome.
Look at that. The salary is now updated to 400K. That means our custom update query worked perfectly using Spring Data JPA. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. In this video, we learned how to perform custom update queries using Spring Data JPA. And remember, in the exact same way, you can also write your custom delete queries. Try it out yourself and see how it works. In the next video, we'll learn how to delete records using Spring JPA. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and press the bell icon, so you never miss the next hands-on video.